I got this for my daughter. It is a stand mixer. This is the lid. This is going to go on the bowl. Look at that. It has, you know, holes. It has, kind of protects the things from coming out, which is really kind of cool because my mixer is a name brand mixer, and it doesn't do that. But this is what, let me see how we lift this up. Oh, there it is. Lock and unlock. Should just come up somewhere, but the plastic is hitting it. Look at this bowl, y'all. Is this insane or what? This bowl is giant. It is it's over 7 quarts. It's got handles. It's a stainless steel bowl. When you put it on here, you put it like this. Turn this way to lock. Turn the other way to unlock. This is the lever that makes it come up. These are your speeds. It is basic 2-prong plug. And it even comes with the attachments. There's the hook, the mixture, you know, you can make dough, you can make whatever. This is like the coolest thing that she is going to love. It's going to be a birthday present. And she wanted, you know, a KitchenAid like I had, but it was so expensive, and this was a third of the price. And that bowl, I mean, I guess you have to push that up to push it down and up, which is kind of cool. So, but I think she's going to be so excited over this.